We have now made the point 3 update available for all of our interfaces, so that you can now update this via the C2 Reflasher Software updater found on the News and Downloads portion of our website. Once downloaded, run the updater tool, ensuring you have a working internet connection before proceeding. Please note, if your program is more than 3 months old, you must uninstall and reinstall the program. You will now see a diagram showing how to connect the interface to the computer via the programming lead. Once connected, the green light indicates that the computer has detected the interface. Once you're ready, click the OK and the updater tool will analyse the interface and report back what firmware is currently installed. Below this, you are then given the option to upgrade to point 3. Simply click Choose This and the update will begin, which might take a few minutes. When done, you can then disconnect the interface and continue with your installation. For any questions or queries, please contact us via the links shown on screen.